Hey guys, Room Picker here from another lock picking video. Today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is CL number 4 by The Ghost Locks. And he made his out of a quick-set kick cylinder. And we're gonna see if we can get this open today. This one likes to definitely put up a fight and not play nice. So 50 thousandths counterclockwise with 25 thousandths standard. Sorry, 25 thousandths hook 1 and 25 thousandths hook 7 is what I'll be using. Wow, that is honestly the fastest I've ever gotten this lock open. Wow. I am surprised, but happy because this one's been a pain in the butt. Let's go ahead and take a look at this key. You can see we got that low in the middle, and then it goes up to the zero cut near the back too. Key works just fine. Let's go ahead and gut this. Okay. Oop. Wow, that thing just shot out. Good thing I found it. And we're still in frame, so that's good. It's currently midnight here, so I figured I'd get one lock done. That goes here. I believe that's right. I'm curious. Well, they're the back two, so the same, so it makes more sense that this goes right here. There we go. So we got threading in 1, nothing 2, threading 3, threading 4, nothing 5. And we've got threaded top on 1. We got a deep spool top on 2, a deep spool top on 3, threaded top on 4, and a standard on 5. We got a barrel pin on 1, and we got a spring, got a standard on 2, got a different spring, so we got spring variation, got a heavily serrated on 3, got a very deep double spool on 4. And we got a spool top on 5. And our spring is stuck in the chamber. See if we can get it out. Let's take a look at this amazing pin. Oh wait, first thing first. No mods to the Bible. Let's take a look at this awesome pin work. These are pretty nice looking pins. I'm really impressed with chamber 4. That key pin on, or the driver pin on chamber 4 is really cool looking. And then here is the core. You can see the threading. And you can see there's no mods to the Bible. So this is the Ghost Locks seal number 4. It looked very easy on film, but trust me, this thing puts up a fight. So hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.